Hey y'all, my name is Thomas. I'm here to talk to you guys a little bit about artificial intelligence, also known as AI, in the United States. Start off, I'm just going to give a brief summary of what AI actually is. Now, AI is a model and algorithm based machine learning, which is primarily based on the replication of human thought and interaction. Some examples of this in the future may be detecting different traffic patterns and also in healthcare with the use of virtual nurses that can be used to check vitals, develop drugs, detect diseases, different things like that in place of humans, with really the goal of just being more efficient in that department. Now, who is using AI in this country? Really every company is using and the government is using AI in this country. So there's not a lot of places that AI hasn't touched yet. It's broad, but it is still in its infant stages at this moment. Some main companies that use AI in the United States are going to be kind of some of your big tech companies: Google, Facebook, Amazon. As some of you may already know, Google and Facebook are both very data driven. They love to mine their users' data to use it for things like AI and different things like that. So really a lot of AI is going to be pattern based. It's going to be finding patterns and then using that to create more efficient strategies moving forward. Amazon is using a lot of AI in their day-to-day operations. In their factories, they use a lot of robots on the floor. And also in their customer service sector, they use AI so you can report an issue with a product and get a return or different things like that without ever interacting with a human. Now, that is a good thing, but I will say in the customer service industry, that is somewhat of a threat in the United States. Customer service is very repetition based. So, because of that fact alone, it's going to be pretty easy for an industry like customer service, being repetition based, to be kind of overtaken by AI, because that's really the origin of it, is a lot of repetition, data, and building upon that to create a more efficient workplace or environment. And lastly, I'll wrap up by doing two truths and a lie on artificial intelligence in the US. My first fact is going to be artificial intelligence is potentially going to be used to detect students' faces in education, just to see if a student is struggling, different things like that, if someone's bored. Second one will be that in the US, artificial intelligence will increase the economy by 14% by 2030. And my last one is going to be that in the US, robots are being used in the United States military in the early stages of development for military and use. Thank you.